we'll be doing a mantra chanting. The very mantra in which Pramukh Swami Maharaj's Ishta Devata got his name, Swaminarayan. We will be doing the Swāminārāyan mantra. This one is not from the same organization that Pramukh Swami Maharaj is from. There are many traditions which have stemmed from the teachings of Swaminarayan in the turn of the 19th century. The BAPS is one of them, but the BAPS had an offshoot just before Pramukh Swami Maharaj. And we'll be listening to a rendition of their Mahamantra for about 6 minutes or so, I believe. So here, in case you forget, I have the mantra, Swaminarayan. That's the entire mantra. And this is the way of rendering it in the traditional language, Gujarati, from which this practice originates. Good evening, Steve. So I will be minimizing the background music that we've been listening to thus far, so I can maximize the mantra music, and thus the music of our heart may be begun to be sung, sang, sung, same. Let's see. Everything's all set up for it? Without further ado, 5.5 minutes of Swāminārāyan.
Swāminārāyan, 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 Swaminarayan, 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 Swaminarayan,
Very fun. Jai Swaminarayan. Thank you all for chanting or listening with me. And thank you for Sky Guardian for sending that to me. Just a little clip from a much longer chanting session. Some people go on for hours chanting the holy names, and you can get very, very high spiritually elevated from that japa. So wonderful. Thank you.